Hello? Hello?
Hello.
Hello?
Hello. Yes.
Is this you?
Hello. Who's speaking?
Yeah, I'm Rajesh.
Hello. Hi, this is Johan.
Yeah, hi.
Steve, are you around?
Hi, Joe.
Okay.
Is this meeting started?
I think we're still waiting for a couple of people joining.
Okay. Okay. Who is the speaker from Salesforce side?
I think this is not from Salesforce. This is the event run by Salesforce MVP. I think Steve
Okay.
is the one who drives this.
Okay.
Guys, are you able to hear me?
Yeah.
Yes, Steve.
Yes. All right. All right, guys. Rajesh, do you have a question for us? Okay. Guys, so if you're not going to ask questions, I'm going to take on the name. It can be any question that you have, questions that you're struggling with during your work, and anything related to Salesforce, or some of the new features that you wanted to try out but didn't get the chance to try out with the Spring 15 release. Don't be shy. There's a lot of talent here, and we can all learn. Donna, do you have any questions for us?
No, I don't have any question.
Okay.
I'm Rajesh. I have some questions.
Sure, Rajesh. Go ahead.
Actually, I want to know about the community, the difference between the customer community and the partner community. And recently, I heard the news is Salesforce is going to close the portal thing. So, what's the difference between the portal and community, and what's the difference between the partner community and customer community? And what is the difference between partner community login and partner community?
Johan, do you want to take a step at that?
Yes.
Yeah, I think I can share a few things, but maybe not all.
So I can back you up from there.
Yeah, okay, Salesforce is that they changed from the portal to communities, and recently they changed the name again as a community cloud. Right. Of course, for the partner communities is more expensive, more features than customer communities. For example, like if I'm not wrong about the opportunity or some other object that you can't access from customer communities, you can access from partner communities.
Okay.
Maybe.
Cool. Yes. I just have one more point to add with what Johan said. Just to summarize, the difference between the partner community and the customer community is, I'll give you an example. Basically, imagine there are your partners who contribute to your revenue stream, like more of generating leads and giving you access to more opportunities. Those kind of people are ideal candidates for a partner community because they need access to the opportunity object and access to more of the core CRM objects. So that's the major difference. With the customer community, it's more of aimed at managing your B2C customers who can log cases with you based on your services or on your products. So more of like, example, we have Salesforce support. We are part of this support community, and when we log in and check our cases, we get to see all the cases that we logged in. So that's the ideal use case for a customer community. With regard to portals is, I'd say, communities version 1. There are a lot of improvements from the portal system to the communities that have been, I think it's been a couple of releases since the change has been done, and if your org still has portals in them, you will be able to support that, but new orgs that are created will no longer have access to portals. So that's a very basic difference. I'm not sure what you mean by partner portal login versus partner portal or community.
So, partner community login and partner community.
Yeah, I'm not sure what that difference is because I'm not. Are you talking about the license types?
No, so one of the group. There is 4 kind of types in the customer community. There is a customer community and customer community login and super community user like that. So I want to know the difference.
Okay, I think the difference is the overage licenses. Basically, you have a full-time license where it's dedicated named user license, and the other one is per hour usage, per hour login usage license. I think that might be the answer. But go ahead and post that in the MEP office or chatter group, and some of the other MEPs can maybe add more color to that.
I have another 2 questions. Is there any limitations for objects we are going to use in a customer community or a partner community?
Yes.
I think, yeah.
Yes.
Go ahead, Jahan.
Yeah. If you do a quick Google search, you just search Salesforce communities, you can see all the differences between customer community and partner communities. They have the data sheet.
They have given the standard objects point of view. I'm asking the custom object. How many custom objects can be added in a customer community or partner community?
If you read the data sheet, they tell you that 10 custom objects for the customer community, but I'm not sure for the partner communities.
Okay.
Yeah, I think partner community is more. Yeah,
the user
more
license
based
price is is the user license price is the same for customer community and the partner community, or is it different?
Different.
Okay.
Different. Customer community is I know it's cheaper, as I know. Partner community is more expensive. But for the numbers, I think it's better you take with the Salesforce AE. You can get some discount. Yeah, depend on how many licenses you want to buy.
Okay.
Exactly.
Thank you. Thanks for your answers. Thank you.
Yeah. For the licensing needs, I think, as Johan said, your AE would be able to give you the exact numbers based on the relationship that you have and based on the deal that you work out with Salesforce. So, there's no constant price that can be quoted. But yeah, so those are very good questions. Does anybody else have any other questions that you want to discuss about? Giri Balasubramaniam, do you have a question?
No, as of now, I'm fine. Thank you.
Sure. I think we have one more caller, Vijay Kumar. Do you have any question that we can answer for you today? Or any of the features that you guys tried out and did not? Go ahead. Go ahead, Giri.
Yeah, hi.
Yep.
This question is related to the event monitoring API. So we would like to know a little bit more about that in terms of what is the total, what would be the objective of using that, just not tracking? Is there anything beyond that we can expect using that API from a business perspective?
Sure. So what the event logs currently are meant to provide is it's at the server logs of Salesforce. It's basically at this point in time at its infancy, and it's meant to give you more insight on exactly what's happening at the Salesforce server side and to give you a richer debugging or troubleshooting experience. But apart from that, I don't think there's a deeper deeper link to how the event logs can be taken care in consideration. But as a partner, as a customer, if you feel that there's a use case you can use it for, I think you'll be one of the first in line to come up with something on top of that. But yeah, apart from that, I don't think there's anything specific with the event logs API for the server logs. Did that answer your question?
Can I add something about the event logs?
Yeah.
I think this is not something free. Right? This is some additional. If interested, you have to pay. So what happened with this event log? It will track whatever the users do in Salesforce, whether they run a report, they export a report, even they like do Apex triggers or anything. So it's like tracking your users in Salesforce. And then this event log, as I know right now, there's no user interface. All is API. So you need to download the API to your local database or somewhere. And then it just stays for 30 days.
Oh, okay. The free trial is available for 30 days. I can explore that then.
Even the production is not a free trial, only for 30 days. Because the data will be very, very big.
Is it in? Can I use it in sandbox alone, or is it just straight away in prod?
I am not sure
Sandbox
in the sandbox. I'm not sure in the sandbox. I tried this in the developer editions. If you have developer edition, you can try this for free. But it's only kept for 1 or 2 days, and then this is not real time.
Okay.
Yeah.
Thank you.
If you search, I read a blog before, like 6 months ago. I do a trial on this event log files, and then it looks okay. So you know that when your users, how many users export a report, and then what object he opened, how many opportunities he create within some frame of time. Yeah.
Yeah, I think there was a video on the YouTube which talks about that, so based on that only I was thinking that what kind of business benefit it does, so right now it looks like, as you say, it's a 30-day free trial is available, so once that I can explore and see.
Yeah. We have when I work in my ex-company, we have a use case that we bought a software, app exchange product. It's based on license, and then we don't know how many users use that product. Because in Salesforce, you don't know how people click opportunities or click maybe just open the accounts or something. So we want to track the adoption of that App Exchange product.
Mm-hmm.
We thought that you never know that this user is open this custom object how many times, or even the users, we assign license for him and then he never used the App Exchange product, so it's useless. So with this software, we can track whether this App Exchange product is really useful or no need to implement at all. That's one of our use cases.
Sure. Okay, yeah. Exactly. I think some of our needs are related to that too.
Yeah, and then some of the other use case is like the
for the other one, for example, which you gave as an outside Salesforce, I would say you use an asset management system, and that might help you to track, So that is one way of looking at it, but still it's a cost is also involved for that.
Yes, that's right. Actually, if you have a budget for this, there's another product in App Exchange. I think it's called as a Easy Cloud Bid, if I'm not wrong. So they're using the same method, but they have the UI. And then they will push your data to the Amazon cloud somewhere. So it will not delete it after 30 days in Salesforce. Even it's no longer Salesforce, but you can get in Amazon cloud. And then you have the drag and drop UI, something like that. But it's another cost.
Oh, okay. So that means even though the data size is huge, you can push it to other cloud, and I can use it with some other tools to analyze it. Okay.
That's right. Okay. But of course, it's also another cost.
Yeah. Good.
Okay.
Very useful. Yeah. Thank you.
Awesome. Very good conversation, guys. Thank you.
Okay.
Do we have any other questions? Vijay Kumar, I think, don't be shy. Go ahead and ask a question. Or else I can give the time of the day back to everybody. Awesome. All right, guys. I'm going to give the time back to you guys, and thank you for joining in this week. It happens. The MVP office hours happens every once in 2 weeks, so definitely join in. And it's good to listen. So today we learned a lot. So come back with questions or come here to listen, and let us know if you have any questions in the MVP office hours chat group. Thank you, everybody. Thank you, Johan, for joining us. Take care, guys. Have a great weekend.
You too. Bye.